All right.
Hey,
So we got everyone. Got a knife. About to open up this bad boy. Look at this. It's ginormous. All right. Start off this side.
Why don't you let Tristan hold and you...
No. POV. He's doing it right now. Oh, we got it. I'm so excited.
That's it.
No. Just give me it.
Dude. Alright, let's just...
Thanks, man. So exciting. I've been waiting, like, I don't know, a couple months. Did not expect it to be this freaking big. Oh my gosh. It's here. In all its glory. Oh my gosh, Mom.
Get the knife away.
Get the knife away. Knife is away. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you. Whoa.
I didn't.
Whoa. Wait, give me. Oh, that's where the knife went. Mama had it. Do it, Mom. Boom.
So it's stuck on the plastic.
Nice. And then do one. Careful, don't hit the picture. Don't hit the picture.
I felt picture.
Alright, I got it. I want to do it.
I felt picture.
I want to do it. Oh my gosh, I see it. Holy crap, this thing is ginormous.
Whatever you do not leave it on the counter when this thing starts.
Wow. Okay,
draining.
now I gotta open up this.
Yeah.
Or you need a knife again. Keep it right here.
Oh, I put it.
Whoa. Keep it leveled.
I almost dropped it.
There goes that picture.
Okay.
Picture down.
You need
Where's
the
that knife, Mom?
Right here.
Get the knife, Mom. I need it now.
I'm cutting it open.
Framing looks
Pop the bottom.
awesome. I got you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right here. Cut me.
Hold up.
Oh, don't shut my body.
I will.
Make sure it's sideways.
I got it. This one.
Yeah.
That's where it's tape. Boy, that's good.
Alright.
Good packaging.
Well packaged. How much did you pay
Well,
for this?
a lot.
We don't want to talk about
Yeah. We're not talking about that on TV.
Oh, is that? Why don't you get the scissors? Get the scissors. It's right behind you, Tristan.
It's okay.
Oh, he's fine. He's
It's
fine.
okay.
He's fine. Everybody, he's fine.
It doesn't need to take 2 seconds.
Yes. It's a piece of artwork.
Yeah.
It's supposed to take a long time. Don't get your finger out. Like with your
This is a piece of
kendama.
art.
Yeah,
Nope.
kind of.
This is fine art, Mother.
Number 28
I
of
bought
30.
my first piece of fine art.
I feel like over the knife. Cool.
Oh, careful.
Careful, Mom.
Oh,
There's the
careful.
picture.
Oh my God. Wait, down. Come down here further.
Wow.
No, wait. Here.
Knife down, knife down.
Towards me.
Can you
towards
stop
me.
holding me?
Oh, look.
Towards
It
me.
gave you the things to go on the back.
Whoa.
Is it?
That's it.
Oh, it's exposed?
Careful,
Oh,
careful.
it's exposed.
It
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
have glass?
Very careful, yeah. There's no glass
Then
cover.
I wouldn't touch it because you're going to get fingerprints all over it.
Ah, it's so
My hands are super
freaking
clean.
big.
Whoa.
You're just gonna throw stuff?
Don't touch it, Max. Don't touch it. Come on. Yeah, that's the coolest picture. Uh-oh, I see a dent in it already. Up there at the top. Right here. Don't touch. Whoa. That's pretty cool.
Oh, good for you, Max.
Hey.
Do you want me to press stop?
Let's go put a,
No,
Let me see. This is
put a
it.
nail in.
Oh, look
Let's
at
see.
that.
Do I have to turn
Where
it
are you gonna
sideways?
hang it?
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, I got bad angle. Bad angle towards me. There you go. Hey, Max.
Awesome. Check it
That's
out.
pretty cool.
Keep everything.
Okay, should I
keep
push
everything
pause?
inside the
Yeah, it's
box.
done. Thanks for watching.